Hello friends, as you know that we have started the series of history of English language and literature, and in this video we will discuss about Jacobean age. Before this we have discussed in detail about Elizabethan age. So let's begin. Jacobean age. Why this age is known as Jacobean age? Because James, the king of England, is known as Jacobus in Latin language. So that's why he is the king of England. So the reign of his period is known as Jacobean age. Elizabeth I died on 24th March 1603 and she was unmarried. She was virgin and she has no heir. And James VI was close relative of Elizabeth, so he became the king of England. So we will discuss that how he relate with her. Elizabeth I. Henry II has two children. One is Henry VIII and one is Margaret Tudor. Henry VIII became the king of England after Henry II's death, and his daughter Margaret Tudor married with James IV, who is the king of Scotland. I think you understand. Margaret Tudor and James IV have a son that's name is James V, and he married with Mary first, and their son name is James VI, and Henry VIII's daughter name is Elizabeth I. Elizabeth first become the Queen of England. After her death, there was no heir, and James sixth in Scotland. He is known as James sixth in Scotland. He is a close relative to Elizabeth, so he became the James first in England because he is first time in this dynasty. This dynasties become king first time, so he is known as James first in England, and in Scotland he the same person, same king is known as James sixth. Jacobean age, people of England did not like James first because he is a foreigner. They did not like because he is a foreigner. But in 1547, there was a rule made in which condition is that after James was no other his relative will rule on England. The people of England make a rule. They make a rule that they have a condition. They place a condition before James first that after his death, no his relative will become the king of England. Robert Cecil, he is a very important figure. He is a secretary of state administrator and a politician, and he is also a secret counsel of Elizabeth I. He helped James first. He helped James first to be a king of England. Robert Cecil has played very vital role to be a king of England of James first. James first established good relationship with neighbor countries. He made so many good relations with the other foreigner countries, neighbor countries. But gradually, slowly and slowly, so people of England start to respect James first because he's playing very good, we can say rules. He rule, okay. Then English people were quite relieved that they got a male monarch, but once in starting they did not like because he is a foreigner, but after some time they also feel relief because they got a male monarch in England, because after 40 years of the reign of Queen Elizabeth there was a monarch who is a male. But a group of parliament did not like James first. But there was a group that is known as a parliament. They did not like James first. In 1611, James was dissolved parliament. Dissolved means उन्होंने डिसॉल्व मीन्स उनमें कोई भी मतलब उनमें सहमति नहीं हुई. ओके, देन जेम्स वॉज कंसिडर हिमसेल्फ द किंग ऑफ द ग्रेट ब्रिटेन. जेम्स फर्स्ट consider himself the king of Great Britain. Why? Because he is not ruling on England. He is the king of England, Ireland and Scotland. That's why he is consider himself the king of Great Britain. Okay, then the phases of Renaissance in England. If we discuss about Renaissance, Renaissance is a very famous term that's mean is a rebirth. This term is this phase, Renaissance phase, is starting in Elizabethan age, and there in Jacobean age there was also a Renaissance period, and the end of the Renaissance is considered in the Caroline age. In Jacobean age, we will also can say that Renaissance is also prevailing in this age, Jacobean age. Okay, so famous writer of Jacobean age. There are a list of the famous writer of Jacobean age, that is Ben Jonson, Francis Beaumont, John Fletcher, John Donne, that is a metaphysical poet. Then Francis Bacon and Robert Burton. These are famous writers of Jacobean age. The famous genres are very which genres are very famous in Jacobean age? These are heroic couplets, words, satires, essays, biographies. These are very famous genres in Jacobean age. Colonial expansion, as we have discussed in Elizabethan period, that the colonial expansion is started in Elizabethan age, and the colonial expansion is also expand. There are so many colonies are expanded by England, and between 1630 to 1643 there were 200,000 pounds were invested to expand more colonies. Okay, 20,000 people of England go other countries to make colonies, and 200 plus ships, 200 plus, more than 200 ships were go to other countries which are colonies of England. 40,000 emigrants. Emigrants means which people which are settled in colonies. There are 40,000 people who settle in colonies that are under England. Okay, literature in Jacobean age, as we will discuss as we discuss about literature in Jacobean age, there is so much development. There was all in a, we can say, social, political and economical, there is a progress, and printing press also came in this age, and translation, there are so many translation done by writers, and science and learnings are also very developing in this age. Human psychology and behavior and religious writing. Human psychology and behavior is also become the topic of the particular genres. And religious writing, there was also written this type of work that is based on religious writing. Travelogues, in this age travelogues also started to write it. We can say that travelogues started to write in Jacobean age. What is the meaning of travelogues? Travelogues is the experience of the particular, we can say, traveler. He write his or her experience in a particular prose work that is known as travelogue. And the people of England, they also want to know about the colonies. They enjoy, they experience by reading. That's why the travelogues are also very popular and emerge in Jacobean age. then the authorized version of the Bible. In this age we have saw that the authorized version of Bible was also there, and this Bible is also known as the King James version and the King James Bible, because the King James first, then James first all write himself this Bible. Okay, this was done by James first himself, and this work is done between 1607 to 1611. Then in 1769 this is re-edited by a Benjamin Blaine. This authorized version of the Bible is re-edited by Benjamin Blaine. After the publication of the Bible, other writers also influenced. After the publication of the Bible, some writers also influenced, like John Milton, John Bunyan, Ruskin, Macaulay, and Tennyson. These are the writers who influenced by this Bible, because these writers also start to write on religion. Okay, then this is all about Jacobean age. I have shared with you which I have the information about Jacobean age. I hope you like this video. Thanks for listening me. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want that I should make more videos on that particular topic, then I will make, and please give me suggestion for more improvement. I will improve. Thanks for listening me. God bless you and best of luck for your exams.